All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Well, there we go. Got some cracks. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin this morning in these crypto markets. As you come on, if you'd like to let me know who you are and what part of the world you are tuning in from, and we'll see what's happening here this morning. Also, if you want to get market analysis pretty much on the daily, you can follow me on Facebook or X.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here, and we're going to be taking a look at a chart setup called the MA Momentum. It stands for Moving Average Momentum Chart Setup. And this is a setup that just allows us to essentially gauge where an asset is at overall in its position. In this case, of course, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin. What's up? Good morning. Because for those who are new here to these crypto markets, Bitcoin is a big bully, right? Whatever happens with Bitcoin happens with the rest of the market. If it starts going up, generally the markets start to go up. If it starts dumping, everything starts dumping in the crypto markets pretty much. So with that said, we're going to go over here and take a look at it. For those who are members of iCoinPro, you can click on my iCoinPro training, go to Micro Profit System Part 3. And then down here, you can click on MA Momentum. You can do this training to learn this, fully learn this chart setup there. All right. Now I'm flipping over to the iCoinPro trading portal. And this is our custom software that we built from the ground up to trade our strategy. And I'm going to go ahead and load this chart layout. You just click there and then click on MA Momentum. And then we're going to take a look at what's happening here today. So for those, again, who are new, these red and green things are called candles. They show what's happening with the price action of the asset that you're looking at. In this case, it's Bitcoin, and we're looking at 1D or 1-day candles. So every one of these candles shows an entire day's worth of trading. And as you can see, we've also got these lines here, this purple, maroon, yellow, green, etc. These are moving averages. They show areas of potential support or resistance. This shaded area is the Bollinger Band. What's really, really cool about this chart is you can quickly see whether the asset, or in this case, the crypto markets, because everything follows Bitcoin pretty much, are in a potentially bullish or bearish market. And when the price action is trading above all of these moving averages, in particular, it starts trading above this light purple moving average. That means that we are potentially in a bullish market and almost definitely not in a bearish market at that point. On the flip side, when everything starts trading below all of these moving averages, in particular gets stuck below this light purple moving average, then we're potentially in a bearish market and almost definitely not in a bullish market anymore. And we have to process out the fear and the sellers to return back to something more positive. So where are we now? Well, we're potentially moving into a more bearish trend right now. We are getting stuck below this light purple moving average. Now, our MACDs are crossing over, blue on top, orange on the bottom. That means we could be building up some momentum to maybe try to go up and take out this. This trend line here is the boogeyman for the crypto markets right now. Until this is defeated and with volume, it's not good. We're downtrending now. I think the bulls will hope that we're building this, which is a falling wedge, which means we would probably ping pong, and then if it follows what a falling wedge is supposed to do, we would break out north out of the structure. But for right now, we're just stuck here underneath of this, and if we can't break through the it's called the smooth moving average 7, this light purple line, we kind of have issues and we can fall back. And if we lose this area here and this trend line, it would be like 74, 75. Okay, that would be really, really bad for the markets. Now, unless there's a big news event, we're probably just going to kind of slowly move here as we decide until we hit a level, and then there's a bigger move when the market decides. But for right now, the market is battling between buyers and sellers. So and there's not a significant news event to be a catalyst one way or the other. So we'll probably just see kind of normal trading for a little bit here. And I believe also if we look at the longs and shorts, longs are people betting Bitcoin's going up. Shorts are people betting Bitcoin's going down. Yeah, we're 59 to 41-ish, whatever, 59 change, 40 and change. So we're kind of even. A long makes money when Bitcoin goes up. A short makes money when Bitcoin goes down. Right now, we're not too concerned about these until one or the other gets over 70%. And we're a ways from that right now. So we'll just have to see what happens here with these. But again, it's kind of business as usual for us. So we just want to, do our thing and trade. But key levels to watch. We got to reclaim 84, 85, really 86,000 and start trading above that to potentially try to make a move to go for this downtrend line. So 85, 86,000 is the key resistance on the upside. And then ultimately 90,000 would be a prize right now. To reclaim 90,000 would be amazing. On the downside, this purple line is the last line of defense of the bullish trend. So if we lose that, we could have issues. So we got to stay above 80,000. If we lose it, really 79,000 and lose that, that's not good. And then that would put us in the area of looking at 74, 75,000. So again, we'll just have to see. But those are the kind of key areas right now. And if we were to lose 74,000, that would be really bad and would further confirm that we are going into a potential downtrend right now. So you can see here last time we hit the highs, we went down, kind of played around underneath everything, built back up, went up, set a new high. And then it was like the end. It was like it went down. We kind of recovered a little bit and then just kept going down, and the momentum just built and built and built to the dark side. So we'll just have to see. But this fact that we're not even, we're really getting stuck here, not great. So I think everybody'd like to see a green candle with some volume to keep them feeling confident. But the longer we play around and get stuck under this light purple moving average and stuck under this 84, 85, 86 area, the more it's going to erode confidence and throw doubt into people's minds. So we shall see. All right. Let's see if there's anything hot or not to trade. Usually when the market gets so quiet, there's not a ton going on. And it'll take, it's got to process it out. Maybe we'll see something here as we move forward. But the only thing I'm seeing is maybe red. Red is moving a little bit of volume, not a lot, a little bit of volume. So maybe red, if it does something dramatic, a big move, that could be potentially something. That's an 8% move. Yeah, I don't know. Red's only if it does like a big move. And that's kind of what I'm looking for, is something that's going to do a more dramatic breakdown kind of move if the volume's lower. So I'll put red on the list. That's it. API 3. This one just lost all its volume. So we'll see. But maybe it'll go up higher and then more volume will come in and it'll get more exciting. But for right now, I'm not too excited. Red is, it's already down off of its high. Now it's trying to figure out what it wants to do. So it's in a range where it could be good trading if there's a good, beautiful looking dip sequence with good roller coastering. You want to see good undulation up and down. And there's some volume that moves in on the dip sequence. So that's all I got, everybody. Listen, if you wanted to learn how to trade these crazy crypto markets, we've got a free boot camp for you. It takes you about 40 minutes. You can do it literally this morning. So get back with the person who introduced you to iCoinPro or shared this video with you. You can also send an email to support@iCoinPro.com if you're not sure who referred you or you need a referrer. And lastly, if you want market analysis like this pretty much on the daily, follow me on Facebook or x.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, everybody, take care. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and let's see what happens here today. Bye-bye, everybody.